Hi, everybody. Erin Troy. Sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather, so if I'm coughing and you can't hear me, I'm sorry. Anyway, we're looking what, 5 years down the road. Okay, so 5 years down the road, hopefully, 3,000 hours later, and an LCSW license. I don't know. I kind of see myself in a setting of maybe in a school setting, maybe in private practice. I don't know, but I tend to be somewhat drawn to teens, adolescents. I like them help to figure out why they're depressed or anxiety ridden or whatnot. I like to help them pull things apart and analyze. Um, but when working in a professional sexual situation using a positive sex approach or a sex positive approach, I guess I never really looked at sexual pleasure as a basic human need, but if you really pull it apart, yeah, it is a basic human need. So I would support everybody in their exploration and their experimentation. However, I think it would be my responsibility first to make certain that they were practicing safely, mentally, physically, spiritually, and all of that. So once I made certain that they had all the tools that they needed to keep themselves safe, I would absolutely support them in my safe place that I've created in my office for them to be whoever they wanted to be. Because you know what? At this point in time, they're probably not coming from a place of acceptance. I would say I love the concept of gender bending and, practicing or experimenting in different genders and putting different hats on and, seeing what feels good for you, because that's what it's all about, sexual pleasure. Let's see. What else? I would say when working with families or older adults, I think that, and I have worked with a couple of them, that it's sticking with science usually helps. Evidence-based research, psychoeducation, things that they can grasp onto, like concrete concepts, so that they know it's not a choice that they're, people are making just to go against, their family's values or traditions. It's hard for them, certain groups, to latch on to abstract or, think it's not just like a fad or a phase. It's not. It's something concrete. It's backed up by science. And here it is. Let me present it to you. And accept where they are in their process of transitioning into understanding and supporting their loved one or someone in their community or just in general. I would say a burning question just got raised yesterday, so here's the fun one for you. I'm Roman Catholic, so obviously we know that there's been some massive sex scandals in the Catholic Church. And a question was raised that, if priests were able to marry and fulfill that basic human need of sexual pleasure, would we, I'm sorry, I think that was paused. But anyway, if they were able to meet the basic need of sexual pleasure, would we have had such a huge scandal? I mean, I know that there's predators and whatnot in every profession, population. But if we suppress the need enough, does it manifest in other ways? Is it, is that the reason why it was such a huge scandal? Should we let priests just marry and get it out of their system so that they're not, fulfilling the need in other ways that are inappropriate and not okay? So I guess, I don't know, maybe that's more of an opinion question, but if I was asked, I would say that, yeah, I really think that might be a way to, I guess, not prevent scandals in the future, but maybe lessen the occurrence of it going on in certain populations, such as Catholic priests in the Catholic Church. So anyway, that's my question. I've really enjoyed this class. This is my absolute final assignment. Excuse me. And I look forward to watching all of your videos and responding to all of your posts. It's been a fun adventure. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your summer.